In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your final composition from After Effects using the render queue. If you've finished your edit and you're ready to create a high-quality master file, this process will walk you through it clearly from start to finish. First, make sure you've selected the exact composition you want to export. In the project panel or timeline, highlight the final comp, the one that represents your finished piece. It helps to name your comps clearly so there's no confusion at this stage. With your final comp highlighted, head to the composition menu at the top and choose Add to Render Queue. This sends your composition to After Effects built-in exporter, which is reliable for creating master files. When you do this, the Render Queue panel will appear. Usually at the bottom of the interface, you'll see key sections like Render Settings, Output Module, Output To, and the Render button. Next, set up the Output Module, which controls your format and codec. Click the word Lossless next to Output Module to open the settings. For broadcast quality or master exports, choose a container and codec that preserve detail and color. A great choice is QuickTime with an Apple ProRes codec available on both Mac and Windows. Another excellent option is Avid DNx HD for HD projects or DNxHR for higher resolutions, also available on both platforms. These formats are designed to maintain high resolution and strong color fidelity, making them ideal for archiving, online finishing, or sending to a colorist. Keep in mind they create larger files. That's normal for masters. If your project needs transparency, select a ProRes flavor that supports alpha like 44444 or a DNx codec with an alpha channel. Otherwise, ProRes 422 or DNx HD, DNxHR without alpha is typically perfect for most deliveries. Now choose where the file will be saved. Click the text next to Output To, pick your destination folder, and give the file a clear name, including the project title and version number will help you stay organized later. When everything looks good, click the Render button. After Effects will begin processing your comp into a single media file using the settings you defined. You'll see a progress bar and a status update while it works. Rendering time depends on your composition's complexity, effects, and resolution, so be patient and let it finish uninterrupted. That's it, your master export is complete and ready for delivery, archiving, or further encoding in a